How to block or unblock someone in the Session application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Whether you want to stop receiving messages from someone or allow them to contact you again, Session makes it easy to block and unblock contacts. First of all, launch open the Session application on your device. And once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and open the conversation with the contact you want to block. Once you're inside the conversation page, go to the top and tap on the person's name, and this will open settings. Here, go to the bottom and click on block. Now confirm that you want to block this person by clicking block once again. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to block the contact. Now, the contact will no longer be able to send you messages and you won't receive notifications from them. If you ever want to unblock them, then you can now go to the top left corner from your chat screen and tap on your profile icon. From the settings, select Conversations from the settings menu. Inside Conversations tab, select Blocked Contact. Now you'll see this list where you'll be able to see all of the contacts that you've blocked. To unblock the contact, just select one of the contacts you want to unblock and tap on Unblock from the bottom. Now in the pop-up, click Unblock and there you go. That's how you unblock the contact that you previously blocked. The contact can now send messages to you again and you can resume your conversations as usual. So there you have learned how to block and unblock contacts in Session. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.